Cross-site scripting, this is another one of those that a lot of people will have actually heard of if they work in web development and web application security. And it's one that's actually not that interesting to talk about without showing you the examples. The examples really stand out because you don't really have to do a lot of contrived setup for the examples. And that's because they involve the famous JavaScript, which, a lot of people curse, a lot of people hate, but, without JavaScript, a lot of our dynamic functionality would not be possible. And JavaScript is one of those languages that's very important to the web, and we are all very much dependent on it for dynamic front-end content. And so what it comes down to is that we just have unsanitized user input, that there are scripts that come in and get executed from user input, either when the user provides the input with the scripting in it, or it gets stored and then gets sent to the same user or to different users, and it involves essentially running code that nobody expected to run. And that's how cross-site scripting happens, and we'll see some examples of that. And even though we'll see it in both Rails and PHP, it'll really be all about the JavaScript that runs.